Ayun, so good morning doon sa ating mga guests for tonight and syempre especially sa ating mga coaches and leaders. So welcome po sa ating NetWise Business Presentation. So start na po tayo. So about us, business concept po ni NetWise. So NetWise Digital Innovation Corporation empowering health enriching lives with a dynamic digital solution company committed to transforming everyday transactions through technology, offering a e-loading, bills payment, remittance, booking, ticketing, advertising, and other essential services. NetWise provides a seamless and secure platform that connects people, businesses, and opportunities in one digital ecosystem. And ang aming mission and vision, to deliver innovative, reliable, and accessible digital services that make life easier, empower communities, and promote financial inclusion. To be the leading digital service provider, recognized in innovation, trust, and excellence in connecting people and businesses to technology. So yan po yung about us, okay? So our timeline, so since 2023 po tayo nag-start, so preparation and launch. Nandito po yung ating market research and planning, setting up product development, pre-launch and launch. Then 2024 naman po yung ating growth expansion, evaluate and adjust, expand marketing effort, product service expansion, strengthen operations. Then 2025, dito po tayo nag-scaling up, no? Analyze and optimize, scale operation. And now po, yung 2026, improving services and products. Understand customer needs, implement technology, marketing, and branding. Okay, isa yan po yung ating timeline. Meet our corporate team. So, syempre po, yung ating VP for Sales and Training, si Mr. Eldridge De Castro, and ang ating naman pong President, si Mr. Herbert Ingles, and yung ating CEO, Chief Operating Officer, si Mariano Vergara Quito. Our office location, meron po tayong virtual office dito po sa Unit 8, Dizon Building, Naga Road, Pulang Lupa 2, Las Piñas City. At yung atin pong magiging office, nandito po yan sa second floor, B2 Banawe de Santa Rosa Building, Reyes Street, Barangay Balibago, Santa Rosa, Laguna. So, syempre po, tayo po ay registered sa Security Exchange Commission or SEC under the name of NetWise Digital Innovation Corporation. Product and services po natin, ayan. So, products natin, meron po tayong health and wellness product. Like for example, yung ating Vitalax Elixir Der Placenta Stem Cell, Stem C Plus, Coffee Burn, then coming soon po yung ating Kauri White. Then services naman po, nandyan po yung affiliate marketing, e-loading, bills payment, remittance, e-commerce system, advertising, service provider, dropshipping, and many more. So the core aim of NetWise Digital Innovation Corporation is to build a comprehensive digital ecosystem in the Philippines by distributing physical consumer goods like healthcare products, providing a suite of digital services including e-commerce, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, bills payment, e-loading, and remittance. Welcome to NetWise, which offers holistic approach and solution to all your necessities. So our market, so siyempre meron na rin po tayong open market sa Luzon, sa Visayas, and Mindanao. Then we have also international market and many more. So dadami pa po yan kasi marami po tayong mga OFW na mga solid na distributor ng NetWise. So ready na po ba? So please type number 1 nga po kung excited na malaman yung ating mga products. Okay, please type number 1 po. So introducing yung ating Stem C Plus, Alkaline Vitamin C, Dear Placenta Stem Cell, and Zinc. So ito po is yung vitamin C na alkaline. Tapos, ang unique po sa kanya, meron po siya Dear Placenta Stem Cell. 8 impressive way ay alkaline vitamin C, Dear Placenta Stem Cell, and Zinc benefit your body. Number one, help and strengthen your immune system. So, napakaganda po nito, lalong-lalo na kung lagi kang nasa labas, no? Imagine kasi, syempre, marami na pong naglalabas ang mga sakit ngayon. So, kailangan po natin ng protection. Help treat common cold symptoms. Help reduce your risk of one disease. Help manage high blood pressure. Help lower your risk of heart disease. Help reduce uric acid. And help prevent gout attack. Promote healthy skin and collagen formation. Protect your memory and thinking as you age. Okay. So, Stem C Plus Advanced Formula. Ano ba yung nasa loob ng Stem C Plus? Okay. So, cellular regeneration and anti-aging. So, meron po itong Deer Placenta Extract with bioactive growth factor to repair damaged tissue, enhance skin elasticity, reduce fine line, and support overall cellular renewal for lasting vitality. Then, yung immune system support naman po, nandyan po yung ating sodium ascorbate, vitamin C, and zinc gluconate. Then, syempre, yung ating pong antioxidant defense, nandyan po yung ating vitamin E and grape seed extract. Then, sa energy and vitality naman po, ginseng extract, nandyan din po yung ating premium magnesium glycinate. So, overall po, napakaganda po talaga ng ating Stem C. Then, ang isa po sa napakaganda rito kay Stem C, hindi na po kayo magdadalawang isip uminom ng vitamin C kahit po kayo ay may mga acid reflux. Bakit? Kasi po siya ay alkaline vitamin C. Alright, so next. So, yung ating Vitalax Elixir, Deer Placenta Stem Cell. So, ito po, napakaganda po nito, no? Powerful fusion of natures and science. Discover the unique blend of ingredients that work synergically to revitalize your body, energize your mind, and enhance your appearance from inside out. So, si Vitalax Elixir po, ito po ay juice, okay? So, hindi po siya capsule. So, siya po ay juice. So, meron po siyang deer placenta, meron din po siyang jagular herb, meron din pong goji berries, resveratrol, acai berry, barley, aronia berry, marine collagen, zinc, purple corn, ginseng, glutamate, kamo-kamo, lycopene, mangosteen, beetroot, radiola root, and syempre, yung atin pong sweetener is stevia. So, Vitalax Elixir top 10 health benefits associated with consuming this healthy juice drink daily. So, maganda po dito, meron po itong cellular regeneration and anti-aging, enhanced sexual function, potent antioxidant protection, immune system support, skin elasticity and radiance, natural energy boost, metabolic and weight management, stress reduction and mental clarity, heart and cardiovascular health, nutrient-dense superfood blend. So, napakaganda po, no? Nung benefits ng ating pong Vitalax Elixir Deer Placenta Stem Cell. Then, yung scientific studies po, information. So, ito po yung mga scientific studies ng ingredients ng ating product, no? Like for example, si jagular herb po, meron na po yung 669 scientific studies. Acai berry naman po is 657 scientific studies. And si goji naman po, Lycium barbarum, ay meron ng 2,258 scientific studies. So, pwede nyo pong i-search sa mga browsers nyo, no? I-type nyo lang po is pubmed.gov. Then, lalabas na po yan. So, pwede nyo na pong i-search dyan yung mga ingredient ng ating product. Okay? So, disclaimer po, a disclaimer of food supplement is not a statement that the product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any diseases, but definitely can help and improve. So, syempre, hindi po mawawala yung ating coffee burn, slimming and whitening. So, elevate your weight loss journey with coffee burn, slimming and whitening coffee, a unique blend of natural ingredients designed to support your slimming goals. Our expertly crafted formula combines the benefits. Okay. So, ayan po yung ating active ingredient. Siyempre, meron din po yung marine collagen. So, maganda po dito sa ating coffee. So, nakakapagpabata din po siya, no? Nakakapagpaganda rin ng skin. Then, meron din po itong Garcinia cambogia. Help suppress appetite and inhibit fat production. Then, meron din po itong green tea extract, boost metabolism, improve brain function, and support heart health. Then, meron din po siyang hyaluronic acid, retain moistures in the skin, support joint health, and promote digestive well-being. Inulin, a prebiotic fiber that support digestive health, promote satiety, and aids in weight management. Then meron din po ito probiotic, beneficial bacteria that support gut health, boost immunity, and aid in weight management. Siyempre, yung ginamit po natin ditong sweetener is stevia. No? Para zero calories sweetener. No? So, hindi po tataas dito yung ating mga blood sugar levels. Ayan po yung ating coffee burn. Pero meron po tayong new. Okay? May pagbabago po kasi magkakaroon po tayo ng level up yung ating coffee burn. So lalabas na po yung magiging bagong pouch natin. So hindi na po siya magiging coffee burn. Okay? Hindi na po siya magiging coffee burn. Papalitan na po yung name niya. So magiging, ayan na po. Yeah. So magiging Caffeinea Slimming Whitening Coffee na po. So yan na po yung magiging bagong look niya. So new improved packaging. So antayin niyo po no sa susunod po once na naubos na po yung coffee burn, ito na po yung lalabas natin na coffee. Okay? Pero wag po kayo mag-alala kung ano po yung lasa at benefits ng ating coffee burn. Same lang din po yan as Caffeinea. Okay. Coming soon product, syempre hindi po mawawala dyan yung ating Kauri White, glutathione, collagen, alkaline, vitamin C, and zinc. So, yan po yung ating Kauri White, glutathione. So, ito po is coming soon. Lapit na rin po yan. Siguro mga May, 4th week of May or June. Lalabas din po yan. So, meron din po yan L-glutathione. Siyempre, meron po yung sodium ascorbate, alpha-lipoic acid, grapeseed extract, marine collagen, niacinamide, vitamin B3, rose hips extract, zinc, and yung oral sunblock. So, yan po yung ating Kauri White. Antayin po natin. Malapit na po yan. Well, so, yan. Nakita nyo po yung ating product. So, napakaganda po ng ating mga product, no? Hindi ka lang magiging healthy dito kay NetWise. Siyempre, magiging healthy rin yung ating mga bulsa. So, we have 14 ways to earn. Imagine mo, napakaraming pagkakakitaan dito. No, maraming paraan para kumita dito kay NetWise. So, meron tayong credit bonus, meron tayong daily engagement reward, product sales incentive, hybrid direct referral, binary plan, network development bonus, lifestyle reward, team sales loyalty, retail reward, level bonus, personal sales reward, step up bonus, global pool bonus, and syempre yung reward plan. So bago ako magpatuloy, no, please type number 2 nga po kung kayo po ay nakakasunod sa ating business presentation. And thank you po sa mga guests natin and sa ating mga leaders. So let's proceed. So how to start? Paano nga ba natin sisimulan yung ating business dito kay NetWise? Yan. So dito po kay NetWise, no, once na active na po yung ating tinatawag na automated payout system, so lahat po ng mga magme-member dito o lahat po ng magiging affiliate natin is dadaan po sa KYC and wallet activation. Okay? So once nakapag KYC na po kayo, proceed na po kayo sa registration. So dito po pipili na kayo ng package na inyong sisimulan o inyong bibili na package. Then upon selecting the package, doon na rin po kayo mag-generate ng QR to pay. So doon na po tayo sa system mismo magbabayad. Okay? Then after that, once na nabayaran na po ni client, no, yung kanyang package na pinurchase, yung payout po, no, ni sponsor or ni upline, so direct na kaagad sa kanyang e-wallet. So wala na pong request dito. Direct na pong papasok yung kanyang payout doon sa kanyang wallet. Diba, napakaganda ho, no? Kasi yung ibang company, syempre hindi na ako mababanggit ng pangalan, kailangan mo pang i-request. Minsan nadi-delay pa. Dito po, walang delay. Bakit? Hindi mo na kailangan mag-request kasi automatic na po, system na po mismo ang magbabayad sa'yo. Okay. So, ganyan po kaganda yung system in NetWise. So, binary plan package. So, we have starter kit. No? Yung 1775. So, napaka-liit na puhunan pero pwede kang kumita ng napakalaki. So ano pong kasama niya? Essential beginning and grade KB. So 100% worth of product po. So pwede ka po makakuha ng STEM C+ or Vitalux Elixir. 100% worth of product po yan makukuha nyo. Then magkakaroon ka ng 15% lifetime discount. Mocha e-wallet, mobile application, 24/7 monitoring website, affiliate marketing, free shipping nationwide. Ayan. So napakaganda po kasi once lang nag-purchase ka ng package, free shipping na po yan. Kahit saan lupalop ka ng dito. Okay? So bills payment, meron na rin po yung automated payout system, company support, and business training. Then yung premium bundle naman po natin, yung 3,550. So pwede kang pumili ng dalawang STEM C or Vitalux Elixir. Enhanced performance and enhanced value. No? 100% worth of product, 30% lifetime discount na po kayo dyan on your next purchase. Mocha e-wallet, mobile application, 24/7 monitoring website, affiliate marketing, free shipping nationwide, e-loading, bills payment, automated payout system, company support, and business training. So yan po yung kasama sa ating premium bundle. Then yung ating pong elite bundle, ito po maganda no, lalong-lalo na. So ay gusto mong ma-maximize yung business mo, no? Sa halagang 14,200, napakababang puhunan, no? So total wellness and maximum potential, 100% worth of product, 50% lifetime discount, Mocha e-wallet, mobile application, 24/7 monitoring website, affiliate marketing, free shipping nationwide, e-loading, glitch payment, automated payout system, company support, business trainings, AI companion, 1 month free. So meron na po yung kasamang AI companion. So ngayon, kung kayo po ay nakabili na ng package, nakabili na po kayo, ito po yung good news. Meron po tayong NetWise members benefit. Must be active for at least 6 months to qualify. So kung kayo po ay magiging member, no? At kayo po nakabili ng package, ito po kasama po ito guys sa package. No? Wala na po kayong extra pang babayaran. Okay? So one-time payment lang po. Once na nakabili ka ng package, kasama na po itong NetWise members benefit. So sa starter kit, meron po tayong one-time payment, no? So 2,500 po pag kayo ay wag naman po sana, no? Natural death. 10,000 naman po ang matatanggap ng inyong family sa accident, disbursement, assault, and 2,500 naman po sa hospitalization accident. Sa premium bundle naman po, 5,000 pesos yung matatanggap ng inyong family sa natural death, 25,000 naman po sa accident, disbursement, and assault, and 5,000 naman po sa hospitalization or accident. Sa elite bundle naman po, meron silang matatanggap. No? Yung family mo na makakatanggap nito pero wag naman sana. Okay? So 20,000 natural death, burial assistance, 100,000 accident, disbursement, assault, and 20,000 hospitalization. So yan po yung kasama sa ating package. Diba napakaganda, no? Ang baba lang ng puhunan, meron ka pang NetWise members benefit. Okay guys, then syempre introducing NetWise AI companion. So ito guys, actually built-in na po ito doon sa ating system. So ito po yung pwede makatulong lalo na sa mga onliners natin dyan, mga marunong mag-ads na Facebook. So ito po yung makakatulong sa inyo, malaking bagay po ito. So si AI na po yung inyong magiging companion, no? Kahit po kayo ay natutulog, may sasagot po sa lahat ng requests. So syempre yung mga nagtatanong sa inyo, hindi nila malalaman kung yan po ba ay AI o kayo po. No? Bakit? Kasi hindi po scripted yung sasagot ni AI. Kung ano po yung tanong nila, yun po yung sasagot. Okay? So 24/7 din engagement. So sana po yung mag-reply, no? Doon sa mga inquiries nyo, na po nabanggit ko. Faster recruitment, automated follow-up. So, pwede nyo pong iset yung follow-up nyan, no? Through email or through Facebook Messenger. Then, training and duplication. So, si AI na rin po ang bahala. Okay, so napaganda, di ba? So, mas pinadali natin yung pag-negosyo dito kay NetWise. Then, ito po, pakita lang natin ano po yung advantage ng automated payout. Faster transactions, instant and scheduled payout. No? Katulad nga po na sinabi ko, na kailangan back to request once nag-okay na po yung atong instant payout. Reduce human error, lower cost, members motivation, 24/7 availability, trust and transparent, scalability, better record, faster, accurate, transparent, scalable, income, advantage ating instant payout ng malaki. Okay? So next. So paano nga ba kumita dito kay NetWise? So introducing, so binigyan po natin ng member support and performance incentive program. So paano po yan? The company offer a member support and performance incentive program designed to assist member in building, managing their product distribution activity through the platform. This program may include activation support credits, engagement-based reward, and product sales incentive that recognize active participation. Consistent platform engagement, the product distribution performance. These initiatives are intended to encourage responsible business activity, promote product awareness, and support the growth of member within the structured marketing environment. Ano po yung gagawin nyo dito? Napakasimple lang, no? Once sinimulan nyo po itong business, syempre number 1, attend po kayo ng mga trainings natin. And number 2, magpo-promote ka lang ng ating business syempre. Kasi para din po yan sa'yo. So, paano yan? Members credit bonus. Ito po yung napaka-exciting part, no? Para lalong-lalo na dun sa mga bago pa lang dito sa ating business. Upon activation, the company provide a credit bonus to support member as they begin using platform. This credit serve as company assistance, helping member maximize the available marketing tool and business opportunities. So, once na-activate yung account mo, so magre-reflect agad o papasok agad yung 1,000 pesos pag ikaw ay starter holder. Pag premium ka naman is 2,500 at pag ikaw naman ay elite holder, 10,000 pesos. So makikita mo na agad yan sa iyong dashboard. Okay? So daily engagement reward. Member who actively log in and share our marketing tools on Facebook may receive a daily engagement reward in 10 days. So ang kailangan mo lang naman gawin dito is promote yung business natin sa kahit social media app. Kasi may link po tayong ibibigay, so kayo na lang po yung magpo-post. So once na ginawa niyo po yung pagpo-posting, kahit once a day lang, pag ikaw ay starter holder, babayaran ka ng 100 pesos pag nag-post ka. At pag premium naman is 250. At pag elite holder naman is 1,000 pesos. So babayaran ka po niyan in 10 days. Okay, so napakaganda, di ba? So dito po, ina-encourage natin lahat ng mga members natin na magsipag mag-post. Kasi yun lang naman talaga ang gagawin natin. Magpo-post lang po tayo sa Facebook, then babayaran ka ni company in 10 days. Imagine mo, in 10 days, so na pagpo-posting mo, marami na pong makakakita niyan. Magtataka na po yung mga kaibigan nyo, mga friend nyo sa Facebook, yung mga kamag-anak nyo, ano ba yung pinopost nyo. So, ang mangyayari dyan, syempre, mag-i-inquire sila sa'yo, at pag nagustuhan nila yung business, pag nag-join sila, syempre, sa inyo pa rin yung kita. Okay? This reward is designed to encourage consistent platform participation, active product promotion, continuous engagement with marketing tools. Product sales incentive, member may earn 5% sales incentive from the company product sales generated based on total product sales volume daily. So dito po, ang maganda po dito, yung na-generate po na sales ni company daily, so yung 5% po doon, yun po yung ibibigay natin doon sa lahat ng mga distributor or members ni NetWise. Okay? So, paano yan? So, maximum incentive per name sa starter holder po is 2,000 pesos. Okay? Pero hindi po ito one time guys ha. Kasi kumbaga yung 5% hati-hatiin po natin yon. So, syempre, hindi po pare-pareho kung magkano po yung papasok sa account nyo. Pero, maximum po niyan, pag ikaw yung naka-starter holder, yan ay 2,000 pesos. Pag premium holder ka naman, 5,000 pesos naman po. At pag elite holder ka naman, is 20,000 pesos. So, take note, no time frame. Okay? So, wala po yung time frame. No? Kung kailan po yung mapuno, no? Yun po yung time na makikita niyo po dyan sa screen niyo. Okay? So, araw-araw ng buwan po, mamomonitor niya kung may pumapasok. Sample computation, sa starter premium and elite, sa credit, members credit bonus, 1,000 maximum. Premium naman is 2,500 and elite naman po is 10,000. Sa daily engagement reward naman po is 1,000 in 10 days po yan, guys. Sa premium naman po, 250 times 10 days is 2,500 at sa elite naman po is 1,000 times 10 is 10,000 pesos. Okay. Then sa product sales incentive, okay, so maximum po niya, no? Guys, now 2,000 pesos. Once na nabuo mo na yung 2,000 pesos, yun, hanggang doon na lang po yun. Okay? Then sa premium naman po is 5,000 and sa elite is 20,000. So magkano ang total niyan? So total incentive is 4,000 pag ikaw naka-starter. Sa premium naman is 10,000. Sa elite naman is 40,000 pesos. So question, makukuha ko ba yan? Yes, makukuha niyo po yan. Okay? So requirements para makuha, members may withdraw the accumulated incentive once total earning reach at least sa starter po is 4,000. So pwede mo na po yung ma-withdraw. No? Sa premium holder naman po is 10,000 at sa elite holder naman is 40,000 pesos. So ganyan po kaganda, no? Imagine mo, nag-start ka pa lang, so pwede ka na kagad kumita. Okay? So yan po yung ating magandang incentive dito kay Net1. Okay, this earning may come from credit bonus, daily engagement reward, product sales incentive, and syempre, pupunin din sa binary. Bakit? Kasi yung iba maiinip, gusto mas mabilis, i-workout mo. Once a win-workout mo at napuno mo yan from binary na 40,000, pwede mo na po siyang i-withdraw anytime. Okay? So this ensure that reward are linked to real product activity and team performance. Okay. Just compensation plan, so binary and dual. So pag-usapan po muna natin yung binary plan. Okay. So sa binary plan po, meron tayong tinatawag na hybrid direct referral. Ano ba yung hybrid direct referral? Di ba nag-refer ka? Or else, di ba nag-post ka sa Facebook, may nag-inquire, nag-join. Okay, so yun po yung tinatawag natin na direct referral. So babayaran ka ni company once na sila ay nag-purchase ng package. Okay, so you will earn bonus from the personal referral based from the package they purchase. So naka-base po tayo sa package na bibili nila. Okay, sa starter kit, meron po yung 150 pesos. Sa premium bundle naman po is 300 pesos at sa elite package naman po ay 1,200 pesos yung inyong hybrid direct referral. Okay, so maganda po dito, when some joins and purchase 7 account, your direct referral bonus multiplied times 7 instantly. For example, kumuha siya ng 7 account. Okay, guys, doon po sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, no, or mga bago pa lang sa ganitong industry, sa ibang company po kasi kahit 7 account yung kunin nila or bilhin nila, still 1 account pa lang din po yung babayaran sa inyo ni company. Okay? Pero dito po kay NetWise, no, napakaganda at napaka-generous kasi bakit? Pag nag-7 account yung iyong prospect or yung iyong in-invite, so, ang babayaran po sa inyo is times 7. Okay? So, 7 account times 300 is 2,100 pesos. So, bakit ganyan ang ginawa natin? Nang sa ganon, lalong-lalo na dun sa ating mga leaders na pumupunta pa ng ibang bayan, no, namamasahe, nagagas para puntahan yung client nila pag magbabayad. Okay? Isa nagpapamerienda pa yung mga yan. So, syempre, kung 1 account lang, so 300 pesos lang yung kanilang marireceive. Pero kung nag-7 account, 2,100. So, syempre, may pambayad na sila, no, sa pagpapamerienda at pamasahe. Diba? Para maging sulit naman yung trabaho ng ating mga distributors. Okay? Para po yan sa inyo. Binary plan, compensation plan. So, maliban po doon sa ating hybrid direct referral, hindi po doon nagtatapos yung ating itaat. Okay? So, formula, 1 point sa left plus 1 point sa right equals bonus. Ang bonus po dyan is 350 pesos. Yan po yung ating pay rate. Okay? So, paano yan? Ikaw yan, may nag-join sa left at may nag-join sa right. So, meron kang additional na 350 pesos na income. So, paano yan? So, income illustration. So, binary plan is a pointing system. So, tandaan nyo to guys ha. Starter kit is 1 point, ang premium bundle is 2 points, at ang elite bundle naman is 8 points. Wherein every 1 point is equivalent to 1 pair. 1 pair is equivalent to 350 pesos. Okay, so tignan natin illustration na ito, okay? For example, this is you. Okay, so may nag-join, no? Bumili ng starter kit, so meron niyang katumbas na 1 point. Then sa right group mo, nilagay mo naman yung mag-join ng elite. Okay, so meron niyang katumbas na 8 points. Okay, so ang maganda po sa atin, kahit ikaw ay naka-starter kit or premium package kit, once na may purchase sa'yo ng elite, so makukuha mo pa rin yung commissions mo. Sa ibang company, hindi. Kailangan tapatan mo yung kanilang package para makuha mo yung full income. Sa atin hindi po, no? Napaka-generous po na company natin. So paano yan? 1 point then 8 points, no? Mag-prepare po yan. Siyempre, ang kikitain mo dyan is masusunod yung 1 point. So magkano yan? Meron kang 350. Okay. So less 1 point, meron po tayo 7 points, okay, na matitira. Okay, so once may nag-join uli at nag-premium kit, so meron yan 2 points. So mag-prepare pa rin po yan doon sa 7 points na natira doon sa 8 point. Okay, so pag nag-pair yan, 2 point times 350, so meron ka na namang income na 700 pesos. Diba? Napakaganda. Maliban doon sa direct referral na kinita mo, ang maganda po kasi dito guys, no? Kahit hindi na ikaw yung nag-sponsor or yung nag-invite dito, still may kita ka pa rin. Guys, para malinaw, no? Basta under your group organization, kahit yan ay binigay ni upline, in-spill over, basta naparesan mo, income mo pa rin. So, ganyan kaganda yung NetWise business. Okay? So, last 2 points. So, ang natira dyan is 5 points. Then, pag meron pa rin pairing hanggang mag 0 points, so uubusin yung points na yan. So, lahat yan, kikitain mo. Okay. So, safety net. So, ito po yung ating safety net. So, protection din po ito ni company. Okay. So, you need at least 2 direct business partner for you to qualify for pairing and point accumulation. So, syempre, once pumasok ka sa business or pumasok ka sa isang negosyo, may requirements. Diba? Pag nagtayo ka ng traditional business, kailangan mong i-comply lahat ng clearance. Business permit, lahat ng permit, kailangan mo i-comply. So, dito, 2 lang po yung kailangan mo. No? At least 2 direct business partner lang po yung kailangan mo para ma-qualify ka doon sa pairing and point accumulation. Okay? Point system, 30% flush out and 70% strong leg retention. Fifth pair is lifestyle points. Ayan. So, sa starter kit po, maximum of 20 pairs daily. Okay? So, pwede kang kumita ng 20 pairs daily. 10 pairs in AM cycle and 10 pairs in PM cycle. So, maximum income per day po niyan is 5,600. So, pwede kang kumita ng 39,200 per week or 168,000 per month. Sa premium bundle naman po, maximum of 40 pairs daily. 2 cycle naman. Okay? So, 40 pairs na po. Imagine nyo sa starter kit, kung meron kang 20 pairs, sa premium bundle naman po, 40 pairs. So, 20 pairs in AM cycle and 20 pairs in PM cycle. Maximum per day is 11,200. So, maximum per week niyan ay 78,400. And maximum income per month is 336,000 pesos. So, imagine mo guys, no, kung ikaw yung nagtatrabaho ngayon, no, tapos sinabay mo si NetWise at kumikita ka na lang ng 11,200 daily in the future. Malaking bagay ba? Diba napakalaking tulong sa pamilya, no? Lalo na ngayon, nagtataasan na lahat ng bilihin. Okay? So, tapos, kailangan mo lang pala ng extra income katulad nito, no? Para makaluwag-luwag. Okay? Sa Elite Bundle naman po, magkakaroon ka naman dito ng maximum of 60 pairs daily. Ngayon, guys, kung gusto mong mas maganda yung kitaan, syempre, piliin mo yung Elite Bundle. No? 2 cycle, 30 pairs in AM cycle, 30 pairs and PM cycle. So, maximum income per day is 16,800. Maximum per week po niyan is 117,600 at maximum income per month is 5,000 pesos. So, yan po yung pwede 500,000 pesos I mean. Okay? So, imagine mo kung kumikita ka na lang ng kalahating milyon sa loob ng isang buwan. Imagine nyo, di ba? So, ano yung pwede mong maranasan? Di ba? Pwede ka na magbakasyon. Bakit? Passive income na po siya. So, ganyan po agad yung okay? So, safety net, starter holder, paano po ba yan? Okay? Yung fifth pair, pag-usapan natin. So, fifth pair po is 25 lifestyle points. So, ito po is lifestyle points, pero wag po kayong mag-alala kasi sa inyo pa rin po mapupunta yan. Okay? So, ganyan po yun, no? Yung cycle natin, pag-usapan natin, no? So, 11 pairs onward, once lumampas ka sa cycle ng AM, so, yung 11 pairs po niyan is flash out. Now, ngayon, kung halimbawa, nakokontrol mo pala, kung mo pa rin yung sales, no, yung pumapasok, ipasok mo yung pang 11 pair sa PM cycle. Ayan, so, magiging 11 pair siya, so, 350 pa rin siya. Then, every 5 pair is 25 lifestyle points. Okay? So, pag lumampas ulit ng 21 pair, onward, flash. Okay, guys, malinaw to? Okay, so let's proceed. So, ano po ba yung advantage ng multiple account versus one account on a direct sponsor? So, paano ba yan? Let's say, for example, ikaw yan. Okay? So, nag-join ka, parang napilitan ka lang, pero nag-join ka. Dahil nahiya ka doon sa friend mo. Okay? Sabi mo, mag-one account lang ako. Okay? Tapos, nag-one account ka kasi gusto mo lang subukan. Okay? Tapos may napa-join ka 8. Siyempre yung 4 lalagay mo sa left, yung 4 lalagay mo sa right. So mag-pair yan ng 350, 350, 350. So meron niyang 4 pair. So siyempre 4 times 350 is 1/4. Direct referral mo is 300 times 2. 300 times 8 is 2/4. So total income mo dyan is 3,800. So tingnan nyo guys ha. Ito yung advantage ng 7 account. Pag naka-multiple account ka, meron kang account 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, same lang din po, no? Same energy, same effort. Bakit? Mag-i-invite ka lang din ng 8. Okay? So, ilalagay mo yung 8 doon sa ilalim, no? Ngayon, sa account number 1 mo, 350 times 4, may kita kang 1/4. Sa account number 2 and number 3 mo, may kita ka pa rin 700. At sa account 4, 5, 6, 7, may kita kang 350. So, total pairing mo na kinita is 4,200 pesos. So, times 3 yung income. Diba? So, ganyan kaganda pag multiple. So, direct referral mo, 8 times 300 is 2,400. So, total kinita mo dito is 6,600. Now, the question, anong gusto mo? One account o multiple account? Please type number 1 niya po kung one account and please type number 2 kung multiple account. Okay, guys. Diba? So, nakita nyo yung advantage, no? At the same time, maganda po dito, di ba maximum income natin sa EAT is 500,000 per month. Kung naka-one account ka, paano kung naka-7 account ka? Hindi lang 500,000 yan once na nabuo mo, no? Or na-maximize mo yung income mo per month. So, yan yung advantage ng multiple account. So, network development bonus. The network development bonus reward member who actively build and support their distribution network. Advance depend on combination of personal development leaders and balanced team point on both left and right team. So, ito naman pong network development bonus so ginawa natin. Ito po yung ranking bonus sa binary. Based po sa binary. Okay? Paano yan? So, once na ikaw ay nag-join, ang tawag sa iyo is associate. Okay? So, pag ikaw ay naging senior associate na, you get 5,000 pesos cash. No? Maliban doon sa pairing bonus mo na kinita, may additional income ka pa ng 5,000 pesos. Pero meron po yung requirements ulit, no? Must have at least 2 direct associate, 100 points sa left and sa right. Okay? Pag naging builder ka naman, you get 25,000 pesos cash. Wow! Diba? So, requirements naman po, must have at least 2 senior associate partners. So, kailangan mong tulungan kumita at maging senior associate yung direct downline mo. Bakit? Para makuha mo yung bonus. Okay? So, 5,000 points and left and 5,000 points and right. So, team leader naman po, you get 50,000 pesos cash. So, habang malaki yung grupo mo, lumalaki din yung bonus mo. Okay? So, maliban sa pairing bonus, ito pa rin yung makukuha mo additional bonuses. Ang daming bonus natin dito, no? So, requirement must have at least 3 builder partner, 1,000 points in left and right. So, kailangan, yan lang yung requirements natin. Okay? Sa senior leader naman, you get 100,000 cash. Requirement must have at least 3 team leader, 2,000 points sa left and sa right. Yun. So, 100,000 cash na po dyan. Pero hindi pa po dyan nagtatapos, no? Meron pa po tayo tinatawag na director. Okay, pag naging director ka na, you get 200,000 cash, must have at least 4 senior leader, 500 points sa left and sa right. Sa senior director naman po, you get fully paid brand new BYD Seal 5. Okay, so namimigay tayo ng kotse dito, must have at least 4 director, 10,000 points sa left and 10,000 points sa right. Pag nag-executive director ka, you get fully paid brand new Montero Sport or BYD Sea Lion 6. Okay? So, yan yung binibigay natin, no? Pag ikaw ay naging executive director na. Okay? Must have at least 4 senior director, 20,000 points left and 20,000 points sa right. Sa elite director naman, you get fully paid brand new Mustang EcoBoost. So, ito naman po, converted into cash. No? Pwedeng EcoBoost yung kunin mo or pwedeng cash. Must have at least 6 executive director, 40,000 points sa left and 40,000 points sa right. At pag ikaw naman ay naging Royal Ambassador, you get fully paid brand new Toyota Land Cruiser or cash. Must have at least 6 elite director, 80,000 points in left and 80,000 points in right. Okay guys, so napakaganda, diba? Tayo pa lang develop bonus na base na buy natin. Okay? Netwise, lifestyle po reward. So, sa lifestyle reward naman po, ito pair. Okay? So, lahat ng pair na nag-input mo, pwede mo siyang i-redeem. Okay guys, kung nakikita nyo yan, so ito sample lang po ito guys, no? Pero pwede tayo maglagay dyan ng mga food like bigas or groceries. So, pwede natin ilagay dyan. Okay, so para pwede nyo rin i-redeem, no? Yung mapapakinabangan ng family mo. Pwede rin G-Shock, pwede rin iPhone, pwede rin MacBook, pwede rin kotse. Depende po kung gaano nakalaki yung magiging accumulation ng inyong lifestyle po. Leadership Royalty Reward. So, earn 5% leadership royalty reward from your direct every time they earn from binary plan. Dito po, requirements dito, at least meron kang 5 direct. So, paano po yan? So, kikita ka ng 5% doon sa lahat ng direct mo, sa pairing, based sa pairing bonus nila. Eh, paano kung kumita sila ng tigmo 1 million? Okay? So, 5% ng 1 million is 50,000. So, meron kang additional 150,000 peso. Okay? Ito na maganda, di ba? Siyempre, hindi po mawawala yung retail reward. Sa retail reward po, enjoy 50% up to 50% retail profit every time you sell each product. Kapag ka feature or 10 plus, suggested retail price po natin is 1,775 pesos on. So, pag ikaw ay naka-starter or bronze pack, meron kang less 15% discount. So, mabibili mo lang siya ng 1,509. Pag premium or silver pack member ka is 30% discount or 1,243 pesos na lang. Sa elite or gold pack member naman ay 50% discount or 87 pesos na lang. Sa coffee bear naman, suggested retail price is 648. Starter or bronze pack member is 15% or 551. Sa premium or silver pack member, 30% discount ka o mabibili mo na lang yan ng 453 pesos. Pero pag ikaw ay naka-gold pack member, 50% discount ka, mabibili mo na lang siya ng 324 pesos. Diba? Ang mura. Mas pamigay na lang yung product natin. Okay? So, yan po yun, no? So, paano yan? Sa suggested retail price sample computation po, no, was na mahilig ka mag-direct selling. Okay? Sa elite or gold pack, 50% discount ka. Siyempre, 1,775 less 887.50. So, may kita ka rin 887.50. Kung kaya mo magbenta ng 10 pouches per day, so pwede ka pa rin kumita ng extra income na 8,875 peso. Grabe, ba? Pag Coffee Bear naman, ang suggested retail price niyan is 648 pesos. Pero pag naka 50% discount ka, mabibili mo na lang sana ng 324 pesos. So, ang profit po niyan is 324. Kung kaya mong benta ng 10 pouch per day, so pwede kong magkaroon ng additional income na 3,240 daily. Imagine mo, bakit? Kasi, imagine mo sa hirap ng buhay ngayon, tapos pwede ka palang kumita sa pagbibenta-benta. Pero ito po, optional lang po ito dun sa mga masipag magbenta. Okay? Next. Unilevel Reward. You will earn Unilevel Reward from the downline product monthly maintenance from 15% up to 55% depending on your position. Ang maganda po sa Unilevel, sila yung nagbenta, sila yung gumamit, pero ikaw yung kumita. Paano yun? Pang ganon? Yes po. So minimum personal maintenance is required at least 100 PV per month. Ito po, optimal din po ito, no? Kung may grupo ka na nagre-repeat purchase, no? Gumagamit, nagbibenta, no? So, at kailangan mo na mag-maintenance, so kailangan mo mag-maintenance, so hindi ka rin na-invite lang. So, kailangan mo at least 100 PV per month or 4 na Vitalac elixir or 4 na Stexin plan. Okay. Sample computation po niyan. Okay, so based po sa 55%, using power of 4. So magkano pwede mong kitain dyan from first level to 10th level? So total po niyan is 76.8 million. Okay, makatotohanan tayo sa 10% na lang. Let's say 10% na lang kitain mo. Still, 7.6 million pa rin po yan. O, para mas makatotohanan pa, 1% na lang is 768,955 pesos. Okay, so yan yung potential income natin dito kay Unilevel Reward. So, napakagandang business, di ba? Lahat may kitaan. Personal sales bonus, hindi pa tayo tatapos sa Unilevel. Di ba, mahilig ka magbenta. Okay, for example, mahilig ka magbenta. Personal sales bonus will be paid 30% on top of your 100 PV personal maintenance repeat purchase. Example, you avail 8 pouches of Vitalac elixir. So, nakapili ka ng 8 peraso ng Vitalac. Okay, sa loob ng buwan. 100 PV will be your personal monthly maintenance and 100 PV will be your personal sales bonus. So, 30% equivalent to 30% PSB. So, ang 1 PSB is equivalent to 5 pesos. So, meron ka pa rin rebates dyan na matatanggap ng 150 pesos. Okay? So, yan yung ating personal sales bonus. Kahit hindi ka marunong magbenta, paggamit ka lang, may kita pa rin. Diba? Ganda yung ating business dito kay Network. So, personal monthly maintenance cut-off every 30th of the month. Yan. Step-up bonus. Your Unilevel percentage will increase every time step up based on your team, product points accumulation from product purchase of your team, and your personal maintenance. Okay, so ano ba maganda dito, guys? So pag ikaw ay since the team, may 15% ka sa Unilevel, pag umakit ka ng supervisor at nagkaroon ka ng 1,000 PV from team sales Unilevel, 20% na po yung income mo sa Unilevel. Pag naging manager ka naman, so kailangan mag-develop ng at least 2 supervisor, accumulate team sales na minimum of 3,000 PV. So magkakaroon ka na ng 30% sa Unilevel reward mo. Then pag naging national director ka naman, so dito kailangan mo na mag-develop ng at least 3 manager, accumulating sales minimum at least 10,000 PV from Unilevel. So accumulated naman po ito, no? Ngayon, pag naging national director ka na, syempre, magkakaroon ka na ng 50% na income sa Unilevel. Plus, makaka-receive ka ng 5% global pool bonus yearly from company net pay. At pag naging brand ambassador ka naman, so kailangan mo lang gawin is mag-develop ka ng 2 national director, accumulate team sales, no, na 100,000 PV from Unilevel, receive at least 10,000 global pool bonus from company net pay, okay? And 100,000 cash, okay? 55% na ang income. Okay? So, yan po yung natin maging reward, okay? Next, global sales bonus, you will earn additional 5% up to 10% annually from the company global net rate. So, kailangan mo lang dito maging national director ka para makuha mo yung 5%. At pag naging ambassador ka is 10% annually doon sa total net income. So, next. Okay, maganda po ba yung binary? Okay, so meron din po tayong additional complan dito. Okay, actually separate silang dalawa. Isang system lang po yan. Okay, so meron po tayong tinatawag dito na dual plat. Okay, so paano yung dual plat? So fast track package, so pipili ka lang. Kung doon sa binary is starter, premium, and elite, dito naman po bronze, silver, and gold. Pero same ano din po yan, no? Same benefit, same package. Pero magkaiba lang po yung pangalan at magkaiba lang po yung rate ng kitaan. Okay? So, paano yan? How to earn? Sa dual plan compensation plan po, pag ikaw ay naka-bronze package, no? For every direct sales you make, you earn 300 pesos. Diba? So, mas malaki yung kita. Ito po, paramihan to ng direct, no? You can have more direct as many as you can. So lahat ng papasok, pag ikaw ay naka-bronze, so lahat ng papasok sa iyo na naka-bronze may 300 pesos. Okay? Sa silver package naman, for every direct sales you make, you earn 700 pesos each for your first 4 direct. Okay? Pero yung 5th direct onward mo is 1,000 pesos na yung iyong direct referral. So ganun kaganda, guys. Okay? So dito paramihan ng direct. Bakit 1,000 na? Init 1,000 na yung pwede mong kita. You can have more direct as many as you can. Ayan. So gold package naman po. So for every direct sales you make, you earn 2,800 for for your first 4 direct sales. Pero yung from 5th direct sale onward is 4,000 pesos na yung magiging direct referral mo. So, wala na ditong pairing na hinihintay, no? So, dito puro direct. Siyempre, maliban dyan, meron din po yung leverage reward. Eh, sa bronze package, from 2nd level to 4th level is meron ka pa rin kita na 50 pesos. Sa 5th level naman is 100 pesos. Sa 6th level naman is 150 pesos. Then, sa 7, 8, 9, 10, kung ikaw ay naka-bronze, so wala kang nang marireceive. Bakit? Hanggang 6 level lang. Pero, kikitain mo pa rin yung 10 pesos lahat ng papasok na naka-bronze pag ikaw ay naka-silver. Okay, sa silver naman po, no? Sa 2nd level to 4th level, may 100 pesos ka na income. Sa 5th level naman po is 200. Sa 6th level is 300 pesos. Sa 7th level to 10th level is 20 pesos. Pero sa bronze package, sa gold package, ito po yung maganda kasi 400 pesos po yung leverage reward mo from 2nd level to 4th level. And 800 pesos naman po sa 5th level at sa 6th level is 1,200 pesos. From 7th level to 10th level, ay kita ka pa rin na 80 pesos. Okay, sabi siguro nung iba na lit naman. Hindi po, no? Bakit? Tignan nyo po ito. So, dito po sa leverage reward natin using 4x4 system, up to 6 level lang po pag-usapan natin para hindi kayo masyadong madula. No? Ang gagawin mo lang dito is mag-invite ka lang at least 4. Okay? So, makabenta ka ng 4, turuan mo yung 4 na makabenta rin ng tiga 4. Ito po yan. Sa bronze package, no, from 1st level to 6th level, ang total earning po dyan, pwede kang kumita hanggang 723,200 pesos. Okay? Sa silver package naman, pwede kang kumita hanggang 1.7 million. At sa gold package naman, pwede kang kumita ng hanggang 5.8 million pesos. So, di ba? Malaki pa rin pwede kitain. So, ang ginawa lang natin dito is 4x4 system. Okay? Hanggang 6 level pa lang po yan, ha? Nakikita nyo, 6 level pa lang. So, encashment channel. So, pwedeng hub office, automated. Okay? No minimum payout weekly and daily. So, pwede po yan sa GoTime, sa GCash, Maya, Union Bank, BDO, and syempre yung ating sariling e-wallet, yung Mocha Mobile Cashback or any bank in the Philippines. Okay? One thing is certain. Okay? If you don't try anything, then everything will still the same. Before you decide, ask yourself, am I happy in my current financial situation? Do I have enough free time to spend with family or do the things I enjoy? How prepared I am for retirement? Do I still have the strength and health to enjoy life? Once you decide and take action, that's where the change of your life cycle will take place. Okay, so thank you. To God be the glory. So doon po tayo nagtatapos guys. And maraming salamat po sa mga guests for today. Thank you.